Let's see how to adjust a table with a paragraph and how to write a paragraph on the side of the table. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, first, let's go ahead and insert our table into one of these paragraphs. Now, let's say that we want to insert the table right in this spot here. For example, in the space here. Now, what we want to do is place our cursor at the end of this paragraph. Now, click on Insert, click on Table, and insert your table's dimensions. And there we go. That is how you insert a table within a paragraph in Microsoft Word. Now, to move this table, simply click on this icon right here, and you'll see that you're able to move it accordingly. And you can even place it within or before and after a paragraph. Now let's put that back to its original position. Now to place your paragraph beside the table, what you can do is go ahead and adjust this size. Let's go on to table properties. Now you can change the text wrapping to either be around or none. So when you change it to none, it's going to look like this. It means that there is no text that can be placed beside the table. And when you change it to around, you'll see that the text actually wraps around the table, just like that. Additionally, you can also change the alignment, meaning you can place the table at the left side of the text, at the center, or at the right. So let's just go ahead and click that to see what it looks like. And that is how you can basically adjust a table and how to write a paragraph on the side of the table. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.